What's up, everyone? We have an unboxing from Z-Cube. I ordered a couple of puzzles from China, so let's take a look. So I remember ordering a Megaminx, a 2x2 and a 2x2 mirror cube. So there's nothing else. Let's put this away, and we have 3 puzzles. This thing is, I don't know. Okay, it's a shipping thing from Z-Cube. This looks opened. Let's see how it is. We have a cube stand, the puzzle itself, some paperwork, and what is this? Useless cardboard. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's open the cube. It's very dry. Sorry, the video got cut off in between. Yeah, but this looks like a decent puzzle. Yep. So that's the Megaminx, and it's a Yuxin, whatever it is. It's a V3. I don't know which one it is, but yeah. So that's the Megaminx. Let's get to the mirror cube. I only had a 3x3 mirror cube. I only have a 3x3 mirror cube, and I just wanted to see how a 2x2 mirror cube is. Wow, that turns really well. I didn't expect that to turn that well. Wait, what? It's a little looby. Like there's a lot of lube coming out, but it's really smooth. I don't know how that happened, but what the hell? How can that happen on a 2x2? Am I doing something wrong? Wait, I think this is right. No way, what? Oh my god, we'll look at that later. So that's the 2x mirror cube, and this is the main puzzle I really wanted to buy because I don't really have a good 2x2. So yeah, let's take a look. And this is the QiYi, I don't know something, but it's Ballcore, so this should be good. A lot of plastic wrap. So let's take a look. How does this open? Does it have a latch? It should open from here. And we have the cube and a little bit of paperwork, and we have a spare something for the center, I think. Let's put that aside and open up the cube. That's very looby. Oh my god, that instantly turns way better than my MGC. Wow. That's really good. That's extremely good. So that's for the unboxing. For the puzzles I recently ordered from ZCube. Yeah, so before ending the video, let's try to solve this mirror cube for one last time. I have no clue what I'm doing, but it feels right. And it doesn't at the same time, so yeah, I think I'm missing something here. Yeah, that should go there. That should go here, and this turns way better than my 3x3 mirror cube, which I got like 5 years ago. Man, what the hell is going on? What am I missing? The first layer is done, and I'm trying to do the last layer. And these two are correctly oriented, and these two... Okay, they're not oriented. Okay, because the pieces are not in the correct spots. Now I think it is correct. How on earth do we have a parity on a 2x2 mirror cube? Maybe I should learn an algorithm to flip it. How do you fix a parity? I have to look it up or something on the internet, and I'm not very good at Megaminx. This is my first Megaminx, so yeah. Let's try to at least solve this. I have no clue how to. I solved it once, but I don't really remember. We'll look at that later. So that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.